Labeling is a critical part of workplace safety. You can be compliant without it being complicated. That's why we created LabelForge PRO, the easiest to use industrial sign and label design software in the market. Purpose-built for safety managers, facility leads, and frontline teams who need labels that last, even in the toughest environments. Compatible with every DuraLabel sign and label system. LabelForge PRO is ready to design, print, and perform right out of the box. With LabelForge PRO, you get access to everything you need to create compliant, accurate, professional-grade labels efficiently for any workplace. From OSHA compliance, barcoding, 5S, pipe marking, arc flash, and Hazcom chemical labeling, we empower you with a full design suite with total layout control and instant access to 1,800+ professional-grade symbols. And when the time's tight, you've got a pre-made sign library with 3,000+ OSHA compliant signs ready to print instantly. Need a forklift warning, PPE reminder, workplace traffic sign? Just search, select, and print, or use them as starting templates to build your own custom signs and save them for later. Work from your network, access cloud files, or use it with your system in the field. And here's what really sets it apart. LabelForge PRO is completely free with every DuraLabel sign and label system. No subscriptions, no locked features, no licensing fee. With free software updates for the life of your system, you get the full tool set, the way it should be, because you already bought the printer. You deserve software that makes the system sing. LabelForge PRO by DuraLabel, built for the work you do. Shop for your DuraLabel sign and label system with LabelForge PRO online today, or speak with a specialist to find the best setup for your facility. Visit our website at duralabel.com to get started.